In today's top story, reuse of automation toils as a key for success.
We have a huge amount of collective experience across 6,000 employees and 55 accounts spread across the globe. And before we try to create something new, we should look at our repositories, find out from the Atomic platform what can be relevant for our accounts, and then reuse it.
Coming up next, Dinesh Sharma and Ravi Pateshwari with the latest updates and stories from Vodafone Ziggo and Bell Accounts.
Hello everyone, I am Dinesh Sharma and I am currently working as a software development team lead in Amdocs. Total 62 automation flows we have developed so far, and that is running on production. And out of 62, 19 flows can be reused by other accounts. Sometimes customer request to change that life cycle, so we need to change the status of the resources. In production, we were getting almost 20 to 30 requests every month. For each request, it was taking around half an hour to 1 hour. Now that request can be completed within 5 minutes. We have also shift left to our service desk team, and this automation can be reused by other account as well. We get a newsletter from each and every account. So we were going through those newsletters and we found that the automation which is done in the Bell Canada account can be useful in Vodafone Ziggo account as well.
Dinesh contacted me to get more details about the toil like design and implementation, because they were having the same challenges in their account. And then we set up a meeting with his developer to go through the whole process, that how they can adopt this toil in their account. And in no time, we were able to implement the toil in their account as well. With this toil, we have created a generic self-service flow, which will actually take few seconds to configure any script into this, and we can schedule it to run at any time interval. It is exciting to work with the smart ops with the new technology coming in.
Reuse is not about copy paste. It is about picking up the specific atom and trying to parameterize it, modulate it as per the requirement of the specific account and implement it. So go ahead, use the platform to the fullest extent, and let's get the benefit of it.